Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature some amazing hair transformations. First up we have this blonde tousled bob style, followed by more of that popular undercut pixie. So the stylist actually ended up doing more of an undercut bob. Wow, very chic and stylish. And she still has the option to play around with the shaven portions of her hair. Very pretty. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So we see someone with the long shoulder length hair and the stylist begins to cut it all off. Beautiful asymmetrical bob haircut for that one. And then we have some gorgeous lowlights being added to the blonde hair, followed by another haircut transformation and color combo. And the stylist ended up doing a gorgeous turquoise blue color with a pixie undercut. And then next up we have another hair color transformation. Wow, and the stylist did a gorgeous red bob. So if you guys want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.